I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Inspire HR to your phone. First, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. Next, download and install the official Fitbit app from your phone's app store. It's crucial to charge your Inspire HR to at least 80% before you begin this process, as a low battery can interrupt the connection. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and successful setup. Once the app is installed, open it and either log in to your existing Fitbit account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. After logging in, tap the small account icon located in the top left corner of the app screen. From the menu that appears, select Set up a device, and then choose Inspire HR from the list of available Fitbit trackers. This step initiates the pairing sequence. Now, carefully follow the on-screen instructions provided within the Fitbit app to complete the pairing. Your Inspire HR will display a unique 4-digit code. You must accurately enter this code into the app when prompted. Once the code is accepted, allow your Inspire HR to sync with your phone for the very first time. This initial synchronization may take a few moments to transfer all necessary data. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. A common solution is to restart both your phone and your Inspire HR device. Also, ensure that no other Bluetooth devices are actively connected to your phone, as this can sometimes interfere. For the best results, always keep your Inspire HR physically close to your phone throughout the entire setup procedure. These tips should help ensure a successful connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.